This short traces how railways transformed societies from steam crossings to global supply chains, bending cities to iron rails. It then follows the fridge from frost-powered experiments to consumer marvels that chill meals worldwide, reshaping daily life. Next, solar cells rise from early silicon experiments to rooftops powering neighborhoods and fueling a decentralized grid. A jump to smart processors traces how early transistors evolved into AI chips that learn, adapt, and optimize everything. Finally, quantum sensors emerge, turning delicate measurements into everyday accuracy from navigation to healthcare.